In this video, we're going to show you how to use the stats controller to track individual stats for each team. To do so, we want to make sure we have players for each team. To add players for each team, we're going to need to go to the Manage Team button, and then we're going to go to the teams that we want to add the players to. Click on Add Players on the top right corner, and we're just going to enter the player's number. And that's all we need to do, and then we press Enter. Let's add a few more players. Alright, we add enough players for the Lakers. Now let's add players for the CourtClok team. Okay, so we added some players to CourtClok. Now let's get back into the main menu here, and then we're going to click on Stats Controller. So now we are asked to load games, or we can create standalone game using the stats controller. Let's select the teams. So CourtClok versus the Lakers. So the difference between the standalone games and then loading games. For standalone games, basically you're only using the stats controller by itself to track stats. And that's basically it. If you want to load games, you can load game from the schedule, and then you can connect with the game controller and the stats controller all work in one. We'll get more into details later on in this video for that. So let's just create a standalone game. So we are in the standalone game. To add the players on the court, we're going to just double tap the players. As you can see, we need 5 players on the court. Let's just tap the players. Perfect. So the players are on the court. Now to track the stats. To add the points for the players. So if players scored a point or points, we're just going to tap on the +2 or the bucket icon. And the bucket is falling. And number 1 scored. So we just tap onto number 1. And boom. It calculated that number 1 scored 2 points. If a player missed a shot, we're going to hit the brick button, and number 11, you bricked it. If someone got a defensive rebound on the Lakers, he's going to tap to that, and boom, they just got the rebound. So everything is calculated in the back end. As you see here, the full stats right now, Kobe got 2 points, went for 1 for 1, and it's a +2. So if you are on the court and your team scored, you're going to increase your plus on the court. So if you get scored on, you're going to be in the minus. You can see here, tap onto the Lakers, the players that were on the court, as you can see here, they got the -2. So if you want to remove a stat from a player, say Kobe, he didn't score, so you just hold on to it, and then the delete button shows up, and then we can just click on the delete button, and we go back there. As you can see, the score is back to 0-0, and then the stats, Kobe got 0 points. So if you want to make substitution, so you tap on, say, Kobe, and number 14 is coming on the court, and as you can see, 14 just went on the court. So let's substitute number 8, double tap on number 8, and then 77, tap on 77, they could be on the court. So this standalone user interface, as you can see, it does not connect to the game controller, so the time and everything does not connect with it. So if you want to track the, say, the period, you just swipe up on the period. You want to track the possession error on this, you can also just double tap on the home team. You can see the border just goes on. Let's go tap on the Lakers, and they got the next possession. Say if you entered a stat, so you press a button for a stat, say someone hit the 3-pointer, and then we're intentionally going to miss this, right? So we just missed the 3-pointer, and we want to claim it for a player. So what we do is we click onto the unclaimed 3 points, and then the pop-up is going to ask you to select to a player. Let's select Kobe that received it, right? As you can see, Kobe got the 3 points, and that disappears. So that's basically it. You can also edit your players here. Say you tap onto a missed shot and you kind of like, oh, you tapped it by accident. Just tap onto the falling element, it will get deleted. As you can see here, everything gets calculated in the back end here, and basically it gets saved to the cloud. And you can also view previous games on the stats here, so you can see all the previous game of the stats. You can just click onto it. So this game here, as you can see, we did not take any stats for that game as we showed in the previous demo. And then if we want to share the game code for fans to track the stats, we can get them to scan this QR code. So let's scan the QR code. Once you scan it, it should direct the user right to the game. As you can see, the score is 0-0, and number 8 on guess on the Lakers got 1 rebound. So every time you track the stats, say 14 scored and then 77 scored, 77 got the rebound, 77 got the rebound. So we're just tapping it really quick onto the iPad here to track stats. And for those that are wondering, the user interface for the stats controller only works with the iPad, because you kind of need a little bit more screen to see everything. So we're just tapping a bunch of random stats onto the screen, and then we're going to go back into the iPhone, and we're going to see the iPhone right now gets updated. So right now I'm going to add 2 points to the home team, and then boom, 7 points is added. And so basically fans can just follow live off their phone and see what's going on. And then if you want to paste the YouTube link to the live stream, it will be shown here for the users. We are done with the standalone game. I hope I covered everything for you. If not, please do leave a comment in the comment below, and we will try to answer any questions you have. We will get into the connecting the stats controller with the game controller and operating it as in one in the next video.